from the part modeling, we now have the ability to remove, exclude, and see live previews if we're trying to simplify out components before we send them over to Revit or Plant 3D or whatever we're trying to export these out for. We can just simplify these, create envelopes very well by removing features and having holes patched, removing the internal voids. So we have different options here for taking these and simplifying these components down. So the 4 options to replace components are the whole part, which creates an envelope for the entire part, maintain each body as its own envelope, select bodies that you want to replace, or exclude bodies and remove features. When you're removing features, it's internal voids for a watertight seal, hole patching, removing features by shape size, so that you can take a component such as this perforated channel here and turn it into a solid block so that when it's imported on the other end, it doesn't have hundreds of edges that have to be recognized. It can just automatically bring in a simple shape to represent the simplified component.